I got mercy, I got mercy.
I can remember one time I get a beating still. But they kind of deserve it. My mother sent me out, right? And if anybody know when your mom send it to the shop, how do you remember what you're supposed to say? Bye. Make a little song. My mom called me and gave me the money and said, buy 6 eggs, 1 bread, 2 pounds of chicken. What I must buy? 6 eggs, 1 bread, 2 pounds of chicken. 6 eggs, 1 bread, 2 pounds of chicken. 6 eggs, 1 bread, 2 pounds of chicken. See my friend them. Duffy, y'all play marble. 6 eggs. 1 bread, 2 pounds of chicken, remember. Half hour. When I see it again late, I say, yo, I feel cut. When I feel buy again. My brother say, I know what chicken, bread, and egg. So I say, all right, chicken, bread, and egg, chicken, bread, and egg, chicken, bread, and egg. All right. 6 bread. No. 1 egg, 2 bread, 6 pounds of chicken. 1 bread, 6 pounds of chicken. 1 egg, 2 bread, 6 pounds of chicken. Go to the shop. What should you buy? My mother said to buy 1 egg, 2 bread, 6 pounds of chicken. The shopkeeper said, what? My face, you know. My mother said, 1 egg, 2 bread, 6 pounds of chicken. Now. So she said, all right, I feel that. Packed up everything, gave it to me. Me go home to my mother. Mommy, here. I get some rotted lick. Me get lick for the egg. Because at first I say, why would I send you to buy 1 egg? My mother have to cook the chicken because she never have anywhere to put it. 6 pounds of chicken. And she said, go to your bed. I go to my bed. But hungry catch me. And I come down in the night, you know. That time my mother cooked the chicken and left it on the stove for cool. Who used to thief out chicken? All of you answer. There's an art form to thief in our chicken. If the pot cover hot, you set up your body so. Then you go so. 1 fluid motion with the pot cover. If you go any slower, it make noise and you're dead again. When me go so, the pot cover hot. So see me I know. Take time, put it down. Start thief out the chicken. We are thief out chicken. For those of you who are chicken thieves, people in $15,000, I know you don't thief chicken or they can buy a whole chicken. I'm talking about $5,000 and $2,500 and $1,000. Once you thief a chicken, you use a gravy and kind of fix it up back. Oh, no, it. Hold on there, on the stop like $15,000 people is a thief chicken. Some of them will be going, yes, Duffy, yes. I stole a chicken or a few. Come on. Listen, man. All me a thief and a fix, thief and a fix, thief and a fix. The level of the gravy now deep. Me can't do nothing. Me say, where me I go do me dead? There comes the post. I say, watch me and him. Me never like a post neither, you know. Me just take up a post. Take some of the gravy, put on him mouth. Then use 4 fingers and go so. Dip in the gravy and go up on the stove. dip in it again and just one trail to the window. And take a puss and fling through the window. That was the last I see of that puss.
I got mercy, I got mercy.